Get ready to join thousands already living their best online life with TalkTalk Full Fibre, the UK's most reliable, fastest broadband tech. Most broadband services are only part fibre, which means the fibre connection takes a detour through some old copper cables before it gets to you. But with Full Fibre, you get 100% fibre goodness, delivered straight to your door via a fibre connection box, often called an ONT, which might be white or black. The result? A rock-solid connection that easily handles everything your busy home throws at it. For a super smooth start, make sure your fibre connection box is switched on before your activation date. Just plug in its power cable if it's not already, and you'll see the green light come on. To get started, download the TalkTalk app from the Apple or Google Play Store and make sure notifications are switched on so we can keep you updated on your order. Your new plan comes with our brilliant Wi-Fi hub, which will beam your full fibre connection around your home with serious oomph. You'll get a notification when it's on its way. Installation normally takes 2 to 4 hours. We'll send you all the info via email, text and app notifications. If plans change, you can easily reschedule on the TalkTalk app anytime up to 12 p.m. the previous working day. So, if your appointment's on a Monday, remember to reschedule by 12 p.m. on the Friday before. Before the big day, you might spot engineers in your area. They'll be doing a quick survey to decide the best way to connect your fibre cable. On the day, your engineer will walk you through the installation plan and make sure you're A-OK with everything before they start. So, an adult decision maker must be at the property throughout the appointment. If you're in a rented property, we'll need your landlord's approval before your installation date. During the installation, your engineer will run your brand new fibre cable to the outside of your home, usually from an existing pole. If that's not possible, no worries. They can dig a narrow trench, which they'll make sure to recover. Next, they'll fix a small box on your outside wall and drill a discreet hole. This allows the fibre optic cable to run through to the second box on your inside wall. The engineer will then install your Wi-Fi hub and plug it into the inside box, ready to unleash that lightning-fast connection. Both the inside box and your Wi-Fi hub will need power, so it's super helpful if you can think about where you have 2 free wall plug sockets. That's the perfect spot. You'll know your Wi-Fi hub is good to go when the light on the front turns solid white. Once your connection is ready for action, our engineer will leave your home exactly as they found it. If you've ordered one of our handy Wi-Fi boosters to extend your signal even further, you'll be able to plug it in once your engineer has finished. They're super easy to set up. For the best possible performance, space them out around your home, away from your main Wi-Fi hub. If you've chosen digital voice with your full fibre plan, getting your phone ready is a doddle. Simply unplug your existing telephone cable from your old master socket and plug it straight into the green Phone 1 port on the back of your new Wi-Fi hub. That's it! And just like that, you're connected. Simply sit back, relax, and experience the difference with TalkTalk Full Fibre.